Hello, students. Welcome to Vipinsharma Physics channel. And students, I have uploaded what is an image, and in two versions. One is in the English version, and other is the English version. Some of the students laugh. What is English means? Hindi and English combination. My Punjabi student says, "Sir, can it be Pinglish?" Yeah, we can do Pinglish, but okay, if you can understand Punjabi, you can understand Hindi as well. Anyway, but this is pure English version. So I've told you what is an image. Now I'm going to tell you there are two types of image. The first is real image. Students, real images are formed when the reflected or refracted rays actually meet or converge to a point if a screen is placed at that point. A bright spot will be visible on the screen. Thus, a real image can be captured on a screen. Examples of a real image, if you talk about in this figure A, the two rays, incident rays after refraction actually meet at a point. That is called a real image. Okay, they are refracted. Now you will put a question, how we can get a real image using the reflected? Well, this is a mirror. Correct? So one ray is incident here, other ray is incident here. They get reflected and they meet here. So this is a real image. This is a real image. I have written RL, real image. This is a real image. In this case, it is real. Okay. And in this case, here object is real, image is real. In this case, object is virtual, image is real. Thus both real and virtual objects can form real images. So this is a good question. Both virtual object forms real image. Interesting. In this case, object is real and image is also real. In this case, image is real, object is virtual. So dear students, simple it is. Well students, you find that this channel is very different, very simple channel, not very attractive thumbnails, just it is for the students, by the students, and I have tried to give you very natural teaching. Thank you very much. Same lecture will be in English also now.